Wahala they say e no dey finish, my people. Wahala they say e no dey finish. Hey, wahala no dey finish for inside our Edo cyber space. So who no go no know, my people. I don't see here say one woman if with Frank don't see the fight. Now wow, madam, this message now for you. Now anywhere where you enter, now fight supposed to the day. Anywhere when you go make friends, fight must dey there. E dey very bad for you, oh madam. You use body go find friendship. At the end of the day, you use quarrel take comot for the friendship. E dey very bad though for una for this Edo cyberspace. As una say una no go dey respect una self, with the upcoming childrens, we go dey use una dey learn. We go use una learn how to talk. Since una say una no go get sense, respect una self, we go give una wetin una want. How you go just enter friendship, nana? Friendship when you enter, na information you go gather for the friendship. Madam, I be like you. Wetin you enter here, there spoil. You enter there spoil. You enter there spoil. You and person get something for outside social media. Just because you and this person una be presenters, you can't carry the matter come social media so that we go know, or so that una will use and make money. Social media presenters, not be so that they present to. Una go learn how to present, my people. Fight not be hard. That is not how to present. That is not how to be a presenter. Fighting, insulting parents, doing so many things, threatening each other. Not be so that they present to, my people. Me una not let me bite my tongue. Everything about una for this social media, especially at those cyberspace, everything about una na fight and everything. Without fight, una no get topic. E dey very bad. Say before now come out, come talk, una must fight. And you call somebody your friend, before 1 week you don't fight that person. That is a very bad example. Even though person will not be presenter now, that person go dey fear to allow na enter their house, because one now come person house na information una come dey gather. My people, make we wise. Being a presenter not be to chook person, chook your neighbor, chook each other. That will not be presenter. You be presenter now, come make friends with you. Maybe I explain something to you. Tomorrow when me I will do you something when not good, you they tell people say you get my audio when you won't play. Is that how to be a presenter? Betraying yourself? Wetin una dey see for movie now una come dey do as a presenter? Which lesson we even dey learn from una self? We no dey learn nothing from you people, nothing. E dey very bad, my people. We are not learning anything from you. Presenter na people before when you go dey learn from. But now, we no dey learn anything from una. Una dey show us bad thing. Una no dey give us good example. So many people now they fear because of una character to make friends. Because una character not good. It dey very bad, my people. It dey very bad. Make una try change. God bless you all. Please don't forget to like and share this video. And also follow if you are watching from Facebook. Follow, subscribe if you are watching from YouTube. Stay blessed. See you all on our next video. Make una change, my people. Change. It's very important. Make we try respect ourselves. Happy Valentine to all my lovers out there. Happy Valentine to everyone who has been supporting me. I want to use this opportunity to tell you all that I love you all. God bless you all for now. And may you all on our next video.